Yes, my people, good day. We're going to be cleaning the valves on this Audi A8 today. Fortunately, I had that divider, so I got more room. I am using the screwdriver. The video has been sped up, so it looks violent. I'm very careful, and I'm not digging into it. I am just loosening up the big chunks. You see me take out a couple pieces there. Then I use the blower. So I chip off a couple pieces. Then I use the blower. And then after that, now I'm using my Amsoil spray foam. That thing works really good. I'm pretty surprised, but it works really good. Then I step to my Dremel with my long neck stainless steel bristle brush, and I'm just going back and forth, trying to take off all the stuff off of the back of the valve. Then I'm blowing all that stuff out again. It's a process, back and forth. Now I'm just covering over everything that walnut shells could get into, because I'm using my handy dandy Harbor Freight sandblast tool with walnut shells in it. Point taken, walnut shells, not sand. I am actually very impressed with how well the walnut shells work, but it just gets into stuff. Blow all that stuff back off, and this is what it looks like now. Looks really good. It didn't take 2 minutes like this video, and this is what it looked like before. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.